Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up an iPhone. First, power on your new device by pressing and holding the side button for a few seconds until the Apple logo appears. Next, you will select your preferred language and region from the on-screen options. After that, connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network to ensure a smooth setup. Finally, decide if you want to set it up as a brand new iPhone or restore your data from a previous backup. Now, let's get your data moved over. You can easily transfer information from an old iPhone using the Quick Start feature or restore from an iCloud backup. Then, you'll need to sign in with your existing Apple ID or create a new one if you don't have one yet. For security, enable Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your model, and set up a strong 6-digit passcode to protect your device. Security and privacy are paramount. Take a moment to review and adjust your location services and other privacy settings to your comfort. You'll also decide if you wish to share analytics data with Apple, which helps improve their services. Crucially, enable Find My iPhone. This feature can help you locate a lost or stolen device. Don't forget to configure emergency contacts and your medical ID for quick access in critical situations. Finally, let's personalize your new iPhone. You can customize your home screen layout, choose a new wallpaper, and arrange your apps just the way you like them. Head over to the App Store to download all your essential applications, from social media to productivity tools. Remember to set up Siri for voice commands and explore any accessibility features that might enhance your experience. Adjust notification settings to stay informed without being overwhelmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.